Hi, I'm Dr. Shauna Drew, and today I'm here with Renee Pilgrim, and we're going to talk about facial rejuvenation acupuncture. So what is facial rejuvenation acupuncture?
Right. Facial rejuvenation acupuncture. Facial rejuvenation acupuncture is it's acupuncture, and we treat your face. We use a lot of body points, at least I do in the work that I do, and we do a lot of like point specifics for, you know, the furrow, the eyebrow wrinkles around the face, like spots, scarring. And so we do really specific work according to the face, but we also work to support the body.
Of course.
Because the whole body with, you know, determines the health of your skin. So your digestive system, the respiratory system, particularly the circulation system. So we want to make sure those are functioning really well.
Of course.
And then we just do the work to help support the specific things that people are, you know, interested in looking at themselves. Facial rejuvenation.
So does it really work?
Yeah, it works. The thing about it, I will say, is it's not a one-shot deal.
No.
Right? And so I think sometimes people feel really disappointed because culturally, I think we like it quick.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's not that. I will say from the beginning, and it does work. And it works also in relationship to what people are doing. So not having lots of sugar, not having lots of alcohol, not having lots of coffee, not smoking cigarettes, right? So those things make the work more challenging. But, you know, having a good diet, moving your body, letting your body kind of sweat and breathe in that kind of active way, you know, and also having a good skincare practice.
Right.
So if you're coming in with those things, it's going to work.
Right.
So usually for me in the work that I do, after 5 sessions, people are like, oh, right. Like, you know, they always see, and after 5 sessions, they're like, oh yeah, I can see. And so, and I use 10 as a number.
Okay.
Within, like, you know, a short period of time, within 2 to 3 months, 10 sessions, because that really generates and activates what we need to do, which is create new cellular growth, help the body create new tissue, enliven, rejuvenate the skin.
Right.
And then I do, along with the acupuncture practice and, you know, looking at all of the other aspects, I also do a little bit of cupping. So we just, not the Michael Phelps cupping.
You just scared me for a minute.
I know. Don't freak out. I mean, freak out if you have to. But no, cupping in the sense that, I mean, you don't get the marks on the face that you would do. And we aren't holding it there for that reason. But we're just kind of doing a little lift and a move. And that helps kind of fluff up the skin.
Okay.
Right? And it helps kind of fill in the cracks in that kind of way, because you're kind of pulling blood and all of these really nice body fluids into the skin, right?
Oh, that's cool.
It's really beautiful, and it feels so well. It feels kind of funny.
Yes,
actually, it feels funny, but I kind of like it, you know.
Yeah. So, does the acupuncture on the face hurt? Does the cupping hurt? What would people expect?
I wouldn't say cupping. I'll start with the cupping, because cupping doesn't like hurt, but it is like a little suction. So it's kind of like if you had, I mean, this is weird, but like a little fish, you know what I mean? Like sucking on your face. I mean, you know, I don't know if that ever happens to anyone, but anyway, it's just a little bit of suction at a lift, so that doesn't hurt.
Okay.
And we aren't doing it strong, for sure. Does acupuncture on your face hurt? It's hard to answer that question. Some people don't feel like the needle so much. They'll feel it go in.
Yes.
And so, you know, whenever anyone asks me that about anything, you're going to feel a needle go into your skin. Hopefully, I hope this, actually, because, you know, you want to have a sensitivity to a needle puncturing your skin. Acupuncture, that is what we do. And people's bodies are sensitive in different ways. I can't always predict, right?
Right.
I'll say usually hands and feet are more sensitive generally for people. Some people really don't like stomach points. Some people don't like face points. And so, you know, we kind of get to know that. Does it hurt? You feel it, but it doesn't hurt. And for me particularly, if there's a needle that's kind of, if there's a point you're like, that hurts, where it's causing you discomfort, pain, that you can't rest, like you can't allow yourself to rest, then that's a point that we we adjust, or it's a point we remove. Right.
Okay.
But you do feel it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good. And overall, is the session relaxing then? So.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Right. Even with the points in the face, I mean, the joke is always, people, I look like a porcupine, I look like a pincushion. They do. But people fall asleep.
Okay.
And then I feel like, okay, we've done something, right?
Yes.
Where people have allowed themselves to rest.
Yes.
And of course, it's that resting, right? Allowing the skin to kind of fall away, so we're not holding the tension, because that's what these lines are from often, right?
Great. Yeah. Thank you. So that was really informative. I learned a lot about your approach with facial acupuncture as well.
Good. I'm really glad.
Great.